guess what? I went to the Dollar Tree. I'm going to try to make this like a weekly thing, even if I don't get a lot. A lot of the times I feel like I need to get a ton of items to show you guys, but I didn't get a lot. I spent very little this week, and I am actually, as you guys are watching this, I am going on a road trip, and I'm going to one of my favorite Dollar Trees, and I'm hoping to get some great stuff. So you guys will have to watch that when I post that. But I'm here to show you guys what I got today. Or what I got this week. So I ended up getting a frame. We are going on vacation this summer, and I want to make like a countdown thing, and I will be making a video to show you guys that. But I needed some kind of picture frame. The store that I went to when I got this didn't have hardly anything to choose from, and then I went to another store, and that store had tons, but it's fine. This will do. I might even paint it. So I wanted to get a picture frame. I ended up getting Imperial Nuts cashew snack mix. My son loves cashews, and I want him to eat a little bit more protein. So this has cashews, peanuts, and sesame chips in it, and I thought that would be pretty good. I mean, we both like nuts and cashews, but I don't know if I've ever eaten sesame chips, but hey, I'll eat it for $1. You let me know if you guys enjoy this. I don't know if I'll have this eaten by the time you guys watch this, but I want to get more food. I know a lot of you guys want to get more food stuff at the Dollar Tree. I have socks. Yeah, everybody has socks. But the women's socks that I always wear, I wear gold-toed, they're starting to wear out, and they're super expensive. And I'm just like, I need more socks. Well, the husband convinced me to get some men's socks when we went to Marshall's one day, and I love them. I love them. I love them. But then I saw these socks at the Dollar Tree, and I don't know if I'm going to have him wear them or me. It's going to be weird to share socks. Like, I can't do that. But I got pizza socks. Yeah, pizza socks. I love it. I love it. I love it. I think these are super, super cute. And they're kind of like, not knee-high, but they go up your calves and everything. And my feet are always cold, and I always like to keep my calves or my ankles warm and stuff, too. So I thought those were super cute. I saw some other ones. I've seen pretzels, pineapples, and I saw some other one, and I wish I got it, but I never did because I saw a men's sock. But I'm like, no, I need to get it. So I thought those were super cute. And then I got, like, it looks like hot dogs, hamburgers, and french fries. Now, I have a hamburger hot dog t-shirt. It's crazy. So, when I wear that t-shirt, I'm wearing these socks with it. But the hamburger says yum, the hot dog says munch, and the fries say num, like num, 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 num. I thought those were super cute, and I'm on a hunt to look for more socks. That was all I got at one store. I know it's kind of sad. I ended up finding these. Now, these are shrink art chicks. So it looks like what you do is you color them. Now, I was trying to figure out if this is like a plastic or something. It's like a plastic, but it's not as thick. But I don't know how these are going to turn out, but they're like little chicks, and then you color them, and then you probably bake them, and they like shrink. I don't know how thick they'll be when they shrink, but I am going to do probably a video on this to show you guys how well these works. I love working on experiments with Ben lately. Ben likes to be in videos, and I like to do art crafts, and I like to show you guys, especially Dollar Tree stuff. If you guys ever need a project to work on a rainy day, a cold day, just anything where you guys don't want to go and leave the house, these are great projects to work on. So I am starting. It's not going to be like an every week thing, and I have done a couple videos with him. I just haven't posted them, but I think it'd be kind of cool just to do little projects and show you guys, you know, how it works. I mean, he's only 3.5. He'll be 3.5 on Friday, and so I don't know, I think it'd be cute. I had an idea of something I wanted to make, and I wanted to get these before I didn't find them anymore. I know I've been kind of slacking on some of my DIYs, but I haven't been depressed the last week. I have been having motivation. I actually have some DIYs that I finished. I just haven't posted them yet, so there's that. But I had an idea in my head that's something I wanted to do, so I thought I'm going to get those while I still can. I have a blending brush. I got one from Ulta. I love it. It's one of my favorite blending sponges. But it is dirty and I need to clean it. But I'm like, I'm going to try a Dollar Tree one. This is probably not as good and smooth as the one that I used. But I'm like, I'm going to try it. And they had to have it in purple. And purple is one of my favorite colors. So I'm like, I'll try it. For $1, I'll try it. I'm doing a couple Easter projects, and I wanted to find stencils, but I couldn't really find stencils, and I kind of wanted it as a Dollar Tree DIY. So I found these. These are numbers, and then they are numbers and letters too. And what I'm not going to use it with the print. I think I'm going to spray paint these, but you guys will have to stay tuned. These are the only things I found. These were just sitting like somewhere on the bottom of the shelf on the floor or something. So I'm like, oh, I got to use these because I can't pass them up, because if I try looking for them again, I won't find them. I ended up getting 2 rolls of the Easter ribbon. Now, I like this ribbon. I like the colors, but you only get 3 yards. I got something on the clearance rack at Hobby Lobby, and this was like 80 or 90% off, and I paid like $1 for this. So I don't know, 3 yards, you don't get very much. So if you guys ever need to do a project, you always grab more than what you truly need. So I ended up getting just a pink one, and this is very sheer. You can see right through it. And then I got this, and it is going to be something that I'm going to use for that. I've been trying to find a lot of crafts to do, and a lot of you guys might see me do a lot of repeat kind of videos. I'm gonna apologize to you guys in advance. The thing is, with my videos, when I do my DIYs, people are searching for specific videos, and yes, I might have like 5 exactly the same, but one person will find one video and another person will find a different one. So that's why I do so many of the same ones, because certain people are looking for a certain theme. They're not gonna look for a Christmas wreath when they are looking for a specific Valentine's Day wreath. So if you guys kind of catch my drift. So I am apologizing to you guys in advance for that I do have a plan, and then I eventually do want to sell my wreaths. I actually have a Facebook page now. I haven't posted on there for a while, but it's just Wreaths by Jen, and I'm just going to start posting stuff on there. I want to start doing craft stuff. I want to start doing craft shows, just to start, you know, selling wreaths, because that's a passion of mine, and I absolutely love it. I found these. I saw somebody haul these, I think, one time, and I think these are super cute. Now, I don't want to use it the way they are. I'm going to try something different. I'm not going to use these as real candles. It is a little bent, but I'm assuming that since this is holding it up, it'll probably bend right back. But I'm excited. I'm going to try to do something like a DIY with this. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I have an idea what I have something in my head, but I just got to find the right material that I want to use with those. So I thought those were super cute. Now, as you guys know, my son is obsessed with bath bombs. I don't know why. I haven't even taken a bath with him yet, but he always wants to take a bath with a bath bomb. And he loves taking a bath, period. So I'm like, whatever. Well, then I was watching somebody shop with me video, and they were showing these Bolero bath bombs. Now, I've tried the bath Fizzies, and if you guys saw my January empties video, or January empties video, you guys would have saw that those things just fizz. They didn't do anything. I'm hoping these do a little bit different, but my son was super excited, and they're mini, and they're only $1, and you get 3 of them in here for $1. I'm like, yeah, you can waste as many of these as you want. So they had the English Rose Blossom. Now, I tried smelling the lotions. They had lotions and stuff in there, but I wasn't a big fan of this, but I'm like, if he'll use it, he can use that one. So I got the English Blossom. I got French Lavender and Citrus. Now, this one's okay. It actually smells okay. You can smell a little bit of it, but this is one thing I do like about these. These are all individually packed. So we got that one. I ended up getting the Moroccan Mint and Raspberry. I can't remember what this one smelled like. I was trying to smell him and watch him smell these and watch my son at the same time. So I got those, and these are perfect for him. Like, I can get the nice ones, and he can have the cheap ones. And then this is one I'm actually excited to try, but this is the Italian Pear. And I knew if I go back to the Dollar Tree and try to get more of these, they won't have more, because that's how they roll. So I ended up getting 2 of these, because why not? Why not? So I was excited to get these bath bombs. I was so excited. I was not expecting to find stuff that fast. But yeah, now we have like 3, 6, 9, 15 times we can take a bath with bath bombs. Yay! No, not really. But that was my Dollar Tree haul. It was a small haul, but like I said, you guys, I I want to show you guys my hauls, but like some of the stuff I need to start working on my crafts now, so that's why I'm doing such a small Dollar Tree haul instead of getting more items, because I need that stuff so I can start working on my future videos for that. But you guys know the drill. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoy it. And I will see you guys later. Be prepared. I'm going to start doing Dollar Tree haul Saturdays if you guys want something like that. There are times where I won't be able to do a Dollar Tree Saturday, but hey, I want to show you guys whatever I can. And I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.